एनर्जी
equivalent to mass 1 kg.
एनर्जी इक्विवेलेंट टू मास 1 kg, right? So there is a formula of Einstein. E is equal to delta m into c square. hmm? तो E is equal to how much? तो मास कितना है? 1 kg ना. दिस इज 1 kg इंटू स्पीड ऑफ लाइट कितनी होती है? 3.0 इंटू 10 की पावर
8
8
whole
का होल
square.
स्क्वायर. सो इट इज हाउ मच? इट इज मीटर पर सेकेंड, है ना. ये हो जाएगा मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. तो इसको हम पढ़ेंगे. ये हो जाएगा 9 इंटू 10 की पावर 16 किलोग्राम मीटर अपॉन सेकेंड स्क्वायर इंटू मीटर, which is equal to 9.0 into 10 की पावर 16 joule. What is given in your book? What is given in your book?
9 into 10 की power 16
Joule.
joule.
Right? So this much energy is there. Right? What is given next?
Energy equivalent to mass 1 AMU.
Energy equivalent to, is it open? Mass
Yes.
1 AMU, atomic mass unit. हाँ. तो 1 AMU 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon 12 of mass of one carbon atom. One carbon 1 upon 12th of mass of one carbon 12 atom, right? So 12 gram is having 6.022 into 10 की पावर 23 atoms, right? So atom. So one atom will have a mass of 12 upon 6.0223 into 10 की पावर 23, right? Now keep this value. This is mass of one atom. Mass of one atom of carbon 12. So put this value here, right? So ये हो जाएगा 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon 12 into 12 upon 6.0223 into 10 की पावर 23, right? This 12 and 12 is cancelled out, and this is कितना हो गया? 1/6.0223 into 10 की power 23, right? AMU. This is now energy equivalent to 1 AMU, है ना? Energy equivalent to 1 AMU. So can I rub this?
Yes.
1 AMU का mass, we bring it it is in gram. किलोग्राम में लाने के लिए इसको -3 इसमें और इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा +3, है ना? तो ये हो जाएगा +3. तो अब एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू मास कितना है? 1/6.0223 into 10 की पावर 26 into 3.0 into 10 की पावर 8 whole square. So how much energy you are getting in 1 AMU? This is 1 AMU is this much gram, na? So this is equal to 1 AMU. That is 1 divided by 6.0223, right? That is 1 upon 0. That is 0.166 into 10 की power -26 into 9 into 16, 10 की power 16. So how much you will get? 0.166 into 9. कितना आ गया? 1.4949 into 10 की power -20 joule. What is given? What is given?
931.
हाँ? अबे वो मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट लिखा हुआ है, पहले उसमें आओ ऊपर।
1.66 into 10 की पावर minus 27 kg.
ये तो
1.9 into 10 की पावर minus 10 जूल. 1.9 into 10 की पावर minus 10.
1.49 इंटू 10 की पावर, हाँ सॉरी 16 माइनस 10 कितना होगा लड़की?
10.
10, तो ये माइनस 10 जूल होगा। माइनस 26 माइनस 16 बिकम्स 10 जूल। एंड दिस इज, ये वैल्यू जो आएगी 0.116 इंटू 10 की पावर minus 26, right? This is in grams, I hope.
Yes. kg.
Huh?
kg.
Kgs. It is in kg. Sorry. So one decimal will shift here, one minus will be added here, so it becomes 1.66 into 10 की power minus 27 kg, right? And energy is coming in this joule. Energy equivalent to 1 AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1 AMU 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg, right? एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट किया तो एनर्जी इक्वलेंट टू 1 AMU is equal to
1.6 into
10 की power
minus 27 kg.
joule. This is kg.
Yes.
एनर्जी इज 1.49 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 10 जूल, ठीक है? अब this much energy is having, now so this much you understand, 1 kg में this much is joule energy, 9.01 into 10 की power 16 joule energy, right? And here it is 1.66, 1 AMU में means minus 1.66 into 10 की power minus 27 kilogram. Energy is 1.49 into 10 की power minus 10 joule, right? This is we have. Then फिर this is energy, na? So we can write V is equal to W upon Q. So W is equal to V into Q, right? So work is, so one work is मतलब work with energy is equal to volt into coulomb, right? Energy is equal to क्या हो गया? Energy is equal to 1 volt into coulomb, right? Now 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 joule. You read already, right? So So तो 1.49 into 10 की पावर minus 10 joule is equal to 1 AMU. नहीं, 1.6 into 10 की पावर minus 19 joule is equal to 1 electron volt. तो 1.49 into 10 की power minus 10 joule will be how many mega electron volts? That is 1.49 into 10 की power minus 10 upon 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19, right? When you divide this, 1.49 divided by 1.6, you get 931, right? So this will come around 0.93125 electron volt into 10 की power 9, right? 10 की power 9 हो गया. 10 की power 9 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. अगर 3 प्लेसेस हम इधर शिफ्ट कर लें तो यहां से -3 हो जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 931 into 10 की पावर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. 10 की पावर 6 जो होता है वो मेगा होता है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज 931 mega electron volt, and this belongs to what? 1 AMU. This is energy of this is energy of 1 AMU. Therefore we can write 1 AMU is equal to 931 mega electron volt. Is it? This is given to you. So this is how we get the whole process. 1 kg मतलब energy equivalent to 1 kg is 1 kg is equal to 9.0 into 10 की power 16, and 1 AMU is equal to 1.4 into 10 की power minus 90 10 की power minus 1.49 into 10 की power minus 10 joule. This much energy is equal to 1 AMU, right? And 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 joule is equal to 1 electron. So 1.4 into 10 की power minus 10 joule is equal to 9.31 into 9.31 mega electron volt, right? So up this is equal to energy of 1 AMU. So 1 AMU is equal to 931 mega electron volt. This is the value of 1 AMU, right? I hope you understand this much. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Then after what happens?